hate everything right now.
Hi, this is us trying to navigate around Laguna because all we want to go do is the Sawdust Art Festival, and right now we've almost run into 3 cars.
No, they almost ran into me.
Yeah.
I was just trying to mind my own business.
Believes that
I'm just trying to mind my own business and park, but apparently that doesn't exist here. Okay,
None of that shit, Laguna.
Yeah, literally. Now this guy's giving me the stinky eye, like, bro, fight me. Jesus.
I flipped off like 4 cars already. Like.
Okay, Jeep,
people
deal
are
with
crazy.
it. I'm pulling out.
Every night they play live music and it's always so good.
Oh.
I can just push you out much. So, Mark, an adult here, doesn't know how to sit in a chair. It's okay.
I'm not sitting in the chair.
You can sit down in the chair. Watch.
Okay, watch. That's giving you enough room. Oh, hello. Look at my leg. This is how you sit down in a chair, folks. The adult way. I'm adulting right now.
I'm not. I'm a kid, so I'm sitting down with like 1/8 of my ass on this chair. Mark, how do you feel about the art here?
It's the most magnificent thing I've ever seen.
It's actually really nice. Really
I like it here.
Yeah. You gonna live there?
Yes.
Are you going?
Oh yeah, Joey. After Sawdust Festival, we went to Earth Cafe for dinner. Mark and I have this tradition of dancing wherever we go, and sometimes we'll surprise each other and do a random dance move.
I like dancing.